breath of strength and bone made bright. Flow through me with living light. What is weak, now mend and grow. Through me, let pure health now flow. Corporis Robore is a spellcraft working centered on vitality, bodily harmony, and the restoration of energetic balance within the physical form. In mystical interpretation, health is not treated as a single state, but as an ongoing alignment between body, breath, emotion, and intention. The body is viewed as a living vessel of continuous exchange. It receives, processes, and releases energy through every breath, sensation, and internal rhythm. When this flow is disrupted, imbalance is perceived not only physically, but energetically and emotionally. Corporis Robore seeks to restore coherence to this system. This practice begins with awareness of the body as presence, not object. Attention is gently drawn to physical sensation without judgment. Heartbeat, breath, warmth, tension, stillness. This recognition itself is considered the first act of alignment, as awareness begins to reconnect fragmented perception into wholeness. Breath is the primary instrument of restoration. Inhalation is imagined as renewal, clean, structured vitality entering the system. Exhalation is release, letting go of stagnation, fatigue, and internal residue. This cycle is not forced, but allowed to deepen naturally, guiding awareness back into equilibrium. Vita integra, flow within. Mend the frame and heal the skin. Every cell in light aligned. Restore the body, calm the mind. In esoteric systems, health is often understood as harmony between elemental forces within the body. Earth provides structure and stability. Water regulates flow and emotional balance. Air supports oxygenation and mental clarity. Fire governs metabolism, vitality, and transformation. Imbalance in any one element is symbolically reflected in physical or emotional discomfort. Thus, Corporis Robore is also a balancing practice. It does not impose force upon the body, but encourages restoration of natural rhythm. Visualization may be used to support this process. The body is imagined as gradually filled with steady, luminous energy, moving not in bursts, but in smooth waves. Areas of tension soften. Areas of fatigue regain warmth. This is not control, but guided awareness of regeneration. Some traditions also incorporate grounding through contact with stable surfaces, symbolically reinforcing the body's connection to physical reality. This strengthens the sense of embodiment, which is essential for sustained balance. Robore Vitae, steady flame. Within my form, restore your name. No fracture here, no strain remains, only flow in balanced veins. Yet, in all interpretations, it is understood that this working does not replace physical care, but complements it through attention and intention. Awareness itself is seen as a supportive force that encourages coherence within the system. In advanced symbolic practice, healing is not viewed as a fixed endpoint, but as continuous recalibration. The body is always adjusting, always responding. Corporis Robore supports this natural process by aligning awareness with restoration rather than resistance. When the working concludes, attention returns fully to the present body, not as lived experience. Breath stabilizes. Sensation is acknowledged. Presence is grounded. I am whole in breath and bone, strong within and not alone. What restores me flows as one, health renewed and harm undone.